Mates, audio editing gets annoying fast when one simple track needs 5 different fixes. Sometimes you just need the instrumental for a video, a vocal for a remix, or a cleaner voiceover for content. But doing that manually can take time, and honestly, not every creator wants to open a full audio production setup for one file. I am Daniel, and in this video, we're testing LALAL.AI Vocal Remover. I'll show you how it separates a song into voice and instrumental parts, and how extra options like de-echo and lead-back separation work in practice. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. Folks, LALAL is an AI audio tool that helps separate and clean sound without opening a complicated editing setup. The main feature is vocal removal, so you can split a song into vocals and instrumental in just a few steps. But the platform is not limited to that. It also includes tools for cleaning recordings and removing echo. On top of that, you can work with voice changing, cloning, and lead and back vocal separation. So instead of feeling like one small vocal remover, it works more like a compact audio workspace. For creators, that is the useful part. You might need an instrumental for a video, a clean voiceover for a tutorial, drums for a remix, or backing vocals for a music edit. LALAL.AI puts those tasks in one place, and the workflow stays simple. Upload the file, choose what to extract, preview the result, and download the stems. Alright, my friends, let's start with the main feature – vocal removal. Here we choose what we want to extract from the audio. By default, we can separate vocals and instrumental, which is the most common use case. But we can also choose stems like drums, guitar, piano, or strings, depending on the file. Now I select a song, and LALAL starts processing it. You can upload up to 20 files, and it supports popular audio and video formats, which is helpful if you work with several tracks. Here the previews are being generated. It is limited to 1 minute, but the downloaded result includes the full processed file. First, mates, let's listen to the original track with both parts enabled, so we have a clear reference.
I see the waves crash on the shore, just like the lost but hard to find.
Now let's hear the vocal by itself.
I see the waves crash on the shore, your shadow lingers in my mind. The rhythm beats beneath my chest.
The background is removed, and the voice sounds clean enough to use. For me, this is the main test, because if the stem sounds messy, the tool becomes much less useful. Now we switch to the instrumental version. Here, the vocal is removed, so the track can be used for karaoke, covers, background music, or remix ideas. The quality still depends on the original file, but for a quick online workflow, the result is quite usable. After that, we can choose export settings, and once the full file is prepared, we can download the vocal, the instrumental, or both. I also like one small detail here. You can extract another stem from the same file without re-uploading it. The stems are saved in your history for 6 months, so you can return to the project later. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now, while listening to the vocal, I noticed some echo. It is not terrible, but I want to clean it, so I open the settings. By the way, here we can choose the neural network version. I'm using the newest one, but older versions are still available. There are also noise cancelling levels and extra processing options. Inside advanced settings, I enable de-echo. This helps reduce echo and reverb from vocal recordings. Then I create a new preview and wait for the result.
I see the waves crash on the shore, a love once lost but hard to find. With you I'll never second guess.
Now, folks, the vocal sounds cleaner, the echo is reduced, and the voice feels more direct. As a YouTube creator, I find this practical, because not every recording happens in a perfect studio. Next, I upload another file and test instrument separation. This time I choose drums, so the platform creates one version with only drums and another version without them. Here is the original mix first, so we can hear the full track.
Broken bottles, broken hearts, all it carved it, broken bottles, broken hearts, hey!
Now let's listen to the drums only version. The rhythm is separated quite clearly. And now let's switch to the version without drums, so we can hear how the rest of the arrangement sounds.
Got my hands just trying to hold you, screaming that broken bottles, broken hearts, all our pieces, the way you carved it, broken.
This can help if you want to practice, remix, or focus on the rest of the arrangement, so LALAL.AI feels more flexible than a basic sound remover. Friends, for the final test, I choose vocal and instrumental again and upload a new song. This time I want to test lead and back vocal separation. I enable it in advanced settings. Here the platform notes that it works best when layers are clearly different. Now let's start with the original version again.
You are my warm place. You left me with a heavy heart. I'm cold, I feel the air around me as it starts to move.
Then I keep the instrumental enabled and remove the backing vocals, so we hear the lead vocal more clearly.
You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met. I realize I never had that much to lose.
After that, I switch it around and listen only to the backing vocals.
You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met. I realize I never had that much to lose.
Honestly, the tool recognized the two layers quite well. I did not hear obvious distortion in this test, so this could be useful for remixers, producers, and creators who need more control over finished songs. So mates, here's my honest take. LALAL.AI is useful when you need to prepare audio quickly, without opening a full editing setup. The vocal remover worked well in this test, and the instrumental version was clean enough for practical use. What I liked most is that the workflow stays simple. You can preview the result, download the stems, and even reuse the same file for another separation without uploading everything again. Of course, folks, the result still depends on the source file. A clean track will usually separate better than a messy recording. But for creators, musicians, and editors, LALAL.AI can save a lot of manual work. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.